In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your store's payment settings effectively. Whether you're making changes to your payment methods or switching currencies, it's essential to follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transition and avoid any disruption to your store's operations. To start, let's head over to the store management area. Once there, navigate to store settings and then look for the payment section. Here, you need to disconnect or delete all existing payment methods. The reason behind this is that when you change your store's currency, most payment gateways require a reset to appropriately handle transactions in the new currency. If you have any manual payment methods set up, this process requires a bit more attention. Simply click on Manage next to the manual payment option and then select Remove Manual Payment. This step ensures that everything is cleared and you're ready to initiate the change without any hitches. With your payment methods now removed, it's time to move on to changing your store's currency. Head back to the store settings and open up Store Details. In this section, you'll find the Currency area. Click to open the list of available currencies and select the new one you wish to adopt. Changing your currency is a crucial step, especially if you're expanding your business to a new region or have decided to cater to a different market. Once you've chosen your desired currency, don't forget to hit Save. This action solidifies the change and updates your store's configuration. Having successfully updated the currency, our next focus is to set up your payment methods once again. Navigate back to the payment section within Store Settings. Here, it'll look somewhat familiar, but you'll be setting up these payment methods fresh to align them with your newly designated currency. Start by adding the payment methods you previously used, or explore new ones that might cater to your customer base better in the new currency. Each payment provider will have its own settings and configurations, so be attentive to those details. Ensure you properly verify and test each method to guarantee they're all functioning correctly. And there you have it, an updated payment setup aligned perfectly with your new store currency. Keep in mind that while these steps may seem straightforward, double-checking each part of the process helps prevent any potential issues or disruptions. With these adjustments in place, your store should be ready to operate smoothly with its new currency and payment configurations. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your store management. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more practical tips and guides.